Okay, this is the second one being opened up. Humsienk batteries. See the first one is sitting in place already. I'll bring you back in a few minutes when we get a few more stacked in here. And that is our Humsienk batteries. It's a little tight. Like I said, the plans had changed a little bit with this Schneider control box. He wanted to use the whole panel box, so it moved our batteries around a little bit, and the rack batteries did not fit up top like we originally planned, so they're standing on end over there. A nice rack cabinet server will probably help us. We can put the rack batteries in it and put the Humsienk batteries on top. But there you see, 1 battery, 2 battery, 3 batteries, 4 Humsienk batteries, and then 2 rack batteries. And we have room to put 2 more outdoor batteries. The 2 32 kilowatt batteries we were planning to put in the floor here will not fit at this point. So that's probably going to tie us up a little bit. But stay tuned. There's some Humsienk batteries. And we'll get them connected and show you them connected and running in hopefully soon videos, but not today because I'm wore out. And that's still running an old school transformer style Schneider Connex XW Pro. Like I said, it's bulletproof. It's the old transformers, they don't have much to go wrong with them. They just keep working. That'll probably last him the rest of his life. But they do take up a lot more space. You can see the size of the MPP, the inverter, and the panel box that he's using to connect up to. But we now have 30 kilowatts thanks to these Humsienk batteries. And you see 3, 4. There's 4 Humsienk batteries, and there are your connections again. This one's a little bit it's going to be right there by the door, but no choice. But y'all keep watching for the Humsienk batteries. If you want to buy any Humsienk products or browse their website, there's a link below with a 5% discount code on anything you pick through that link. So hopefully that'll help some of y'all out, but they have pretty good prices. And like I said in my last video, I'm pretty pleased with the customer service. I like the cosmetics of it. If you haven't seen the internals, checking the wiring is nice and neat and organized. I'm pretty happy with the Humsienk company for the battery so far, and I'll keep you updated how they perform. So stay tuned.